Yes, hello. I've got two unboxings to unbox today, and I'm very excited about both of them. So let's get into it. Super excited about this. I've wanted this set for a long time and finally just pulled the trigger on it. Can't wait to build it. And I was lucky enough that Homage sent me some killer new shirts to match my killer new build. Whew. Perfect. First shirt. This one is my favorite for sure. I've always loved Bishop. Bishop is one of my favorite characters.
Right there. Perfect.
Perfect. And last, but certainly not least, the Beast. Thanks again to Homage for sending me over these awesome shirts. I can't wait to wear them while I'm building the X Mansion.